Walking bare feet on mud feels truly energizing, right? Well, I came out for a walk in the park and I saw some young chaps shooting a Insta reel and doing some heroic stunts. Call it mirror neuron effect. I too thought I should show up before camera, but not to do any heroic stunts or offer a health tip because I'm no health expert. Instead, I want to talk about the importance of making your customers, your prospects, as the hero in your marketing message. You see, one of the most consistent mistake that businesses and brands do when it comes to pushing and messaging and writing copy is they try to be the hero. They try to steal the show and they try to position themselves as the hero, which is quite understandable. But the problem is when you position your company as the hero, your target market will not be able to emotionally connect with you. They wouldn't be able to resonate with your messaging better. It's because, you see, people see themselves as the hero of their life. That's the reason why when a protagonist in a movie overcomes a problem, we feel as if we overcame our problem. We see ourselves as the hero. It's a natural human instinct to feel good, to feel self-important, to feel important. So, as a business, as a service provider, as a product creator, you need to push in your company so that your customers, your clients see themselves as the hero in their journey. And you are a guide, a tool who is helping them overcome their setbacks in life or the pain, helping them overcome the pain they are going through or achieving their desires and making their wishes come true. So while you push in and while you're writing copy, take a step back. Don't try to steal the limelight. Your customers will actually do that for you when you let them be the hero of their life. So I hope you found this video helpful. I will be back with another walking video soon. Cheers.